In this session, we're going to add some additional features to our public Square app. One feature is the ability to add topics and to show the topic link and to um, do some dynamic queries with topics and users. So the first part is displaying the topic link. And what we want to do is head on over to our post.jsx file in our components directory. And we want to create a function inside the post item component just under the use effect code. So just under this code, before we return our component, we want to create this render topic function that we're going to call with a topic, and it's going to add a link to our component. So we'll pass a link component, and we'll set the to property to topics slash topic, and that'll set the the href, and then we're going to give it a class name of post topic, and we're going to insert the topic text as the content. So that's our render topic. And then inside the return of the component, just under the post row, we will add that function call. So render topic props dot post info dot topic. And so if we have a post info dot topic property, we will show that in our post item component. Now, in order to add that, we need to modify the create post info function in our API. So we'll go over to our API function, and we'll add a couple of declarations here where we'll essentially parse out the topic from the tags property, if the tags property exists. So then we'll just do node.tags.find, and this is coming from our transaction. Tags are a header on the transaction, and we'll say if a tag name, and tags are objects with a name property and a value property. So if the name property equals topic with a capital T, then we'll grab that topic tag object, and then we'll basically pull out the value of that topic tag if it exists. So if the object exists, we're just going to pull out that value, or we'll just set our topic to null, and then in our post info, we'll place topic in there. And now we should be able to save. And then let's go ahead and take a look at our public Square app, and hopefully we see some topics. There's one, there's another, and there's another. Pretty cool. Okay, so we're showing topics. Now let's add the ability to add a topic up here in our form. So let's go to the new post JSX, and what we want to do is create a new hook, and we'll call it topic value set topic value, and we'll use react.useState, and we'll set it to empty. And then we'll add a handler here, function on topic changed, and this will be a an input handler, and then we'll say let input equals e dot target dot value, let dashed topic equal get topic string input, and we'll say set topic value equals dashed topic. Okay, now we can go to our return component, and we can just uncomment out these two divs here. And that should give us our topic input for our form. So let's handle that. And then the last thing we need to do is in our post button click, we need to include the tag for the topic value. So we're going to say name topic value, and the value would be topic value, like that. Um, let's verify that we done everything. We should have our on change event on this topic, and I don't see it. So let me add that. So we're going to say on change equals, and we'll inject a function here. All right, so as we change, we're going to call our handler up here on topic change, and we're going to set the topic value. Let's go ahead and save that, and now we can test it out and see if we can add a topic. Let's refresh because I don't see my topic input. So let's refresh. Maybe I didn't save it. And we did this save, new post, class name topic, post row. Okay, let's make sure. We're in the right version. Why isn't it showing my topic? Ah, interesting. So I just didn't, I missed one comment. And maybe I don't need this here. Okay, cool. Let's check. There we go. There it is. All right, so let's give this a shot. Post. Cool. And there you see, we have our topic. So the next thing we want to do is set up our query that's listing our post to be dynamic. And that way we can click on Twitter and it'll show all the Twitter tags, or click on a user and it'll show all the user tags. Right now it's just showing everything. Um, let's make that happen. So we have this build query function in our API, and let's go ahead and adjust that function to be a little bit multi-purpose. Right now it's just grabbing everything. Let's set up if we take an object that has a count, address, and topic, and then we'll set that object equal to an empty object as default. So the default functionality would be to return all the main feed from the public square. And now let's set count, if it's not already set, to math.min 100 count, or 100 that. And let's add an owner's filter. We'll set that to an empty string. And then if the address is set, let's set the owner's filter equal to owners colon address. And this will go as a filter in our GraphQL query. And let's do the same thing for a topic filter. And we'll say if topic is set, then topic filter will equal name topic and values topic variable. Okay, now in our query object, we're just going to add these filters in the transaction filter section here. So I'm just going to copy these and paste them just so I don't create some silly typo. Like that. And so now we have count, owners filter, and topic filter. And so these should provide us some results. So finally, let's go ahead and open up our app.js file. And in our function get post infos, right? What we want to do is call build query. We call build query, and we want to pass in owner address and topic, oops, as arguments to build post infos, and then we're going to set address equal to owner address and topic equal to topic. And with this public square app, we already wired up the topic results components and the user results components. So if everything goes well, then this should all just work. So if I come in and click on Twitter now, should filter to Twitter topic. And if I come in and click on a user, it should filter for that wallet. So the good news is it's taking a little while, maybe. Let's try a different one. Let's try, okay. So we may need to check that out, but that's kind of the gist of it, and we'll figure out what's going on with the owner address. Thanks.